Welcome back to S House Outdoors. As you can see, we're out in the woods again today, and today we're going to do some milling. I got some nice oak that might turn out pretty, so bear with me, as this is my second experience of milling with a chainsaw. So I'm going to go get the chainsaw started up and the tripod, and try getting you some good footage of some chainsaw milling today. As you can see, there's snow on the ground and there was ice on some of the logs, so it may take a little bit longer than I thought to do a little bit of milling. Hopefully the wood's not totally frozen, but we'll find out shortly. If you like these videos that we're putting out, please hit the subscribe button, and we look forward to talking to you. If you got any questions, comments, anything we can do to improve the quality of our videos, please let us know. Thank you very much, and chainsaw milling's coming up. Thank you.